What's happening, everybody? Walter Gray in the house. Quick question for you. How does making 10K a month sound? It's certainly a lot better than making zero, that's for sure. Drop shipping Amazon products? What does it mean? What does it have to do with making 10K? What if it could make you more and with less work? Stick around to find out. First and foremost, let's take a look at this 10K a month business. So what makes the difference between earning 10K monthly and earning nothing? Simply put, it's research, and guess what? More research. As a wise man once said, knowing is half the battle. And when it comes to drop shipping, it's all about figuring out and knowing which products are going to be winners. Again, simply put, you got to always be doing the research and be on the lookout for good products. It's the difference between establishing yourself in e-commerce and staying in the zone of never quite taking off. But there's a lot more to it than just doing the research. There's one secret that can get data from over 500 million people a month working to help you find what's truly set to become the next big thing. Listen, y'all, stick around to the end because I'm gonna make it worth your while. Believe you me. If you thought 10K a month sounded good, this one trick can take that 10 and make it 50K per month. There's a reason we all love dropshipping. Not only is it the perfect side hustle for beginners and entrepreneurs of all levels, but it's something that can easily go from a side hustle to a full-time business with massive profits. Some of today's largest brands like Gymshark and Movement Watches are a testament to that. Dropshipping is all about taking the path of least resistance, which means what's easiest is usually what's best. In short, when you're looking for winning products, you're really just looking to steal winning products. To find winning products, you can use stuff like Google Trends or exploding topics to figure out what markets are growing like crazy. The trick, though, that works best for me, and y'all might for real laugh at me for this. It's so simple and stupid, but it works. I just use what's selling on Amazon. Definitely the best tool in this respect is Jungle Scout. I mean, the thing is, Amazon is hands down the biggest and best marketplace online. So instead of having to track everything all across the internet, you can just focus on what's happening on Amazon, and that's good enough. You might be thinking to yourself, why not just sell on Amazon? Wouldn't that be easier? Well, yes and no. I do like selling on Amazon, but dig this. While yeah, approximately 40% of Amazon sellers make anywhere between 1K to 25K a month, and yeah, that's good money. The problem is that Amazon takes a cut from its sellers. And honestly, I've taken products that sell really well on Amazon and have made 50K off them by just drop shipping them in my own store. Dropshipping Amazon products is super effective because you get to use data from the world's biggest marketplace while having the independence to not have to cut them in on your profits. Jungle Scout is a great tool to check out. It gives you real-time info on what's selling on Amazon right now. It also gives you all the info you need in order to figure out what niches are full of opportunities. The only problem here is that to effectively utilize Jungle Scout, you got to already have a good grasp of what Amazon FBA is and how it works. It's also kind of tough to make use of if you aren't coming to it already having a pretty good analytical skill set. Some products that I've seen that have really been doing numbers on Amazon are like portable digital air pumps or like car backseat organizers with touchscreen tablet holders. I also saw that like car trunk organizers and also these sort of like 360-degree rotating mirrors, so that's easier to see your kids in the back, have been doing great numbers. It seems like car accessories are doing particularly well at the moment. If you're looking for the easiest, most effective way to get winning drop shipping products, then you can always just check out Sellvia. They've got a team of analytics pros who look at info not just from Amazon, but from all over the internet in order to put together the best product packs possible. There, they've collected up to 500 top performing products on Amazon this year, and they put them together in one pack that you can grab and load up into your store in just a few clicks. All the products I've been tracking and mentioned above are in that pack. I'll leave a link below in the description if that pack sounds interesting to you. Sellvia also has a load of services where they track product performance and then boil it down into simple and clear lists that are easy to take action on. They collect info about top performing products from their millions of client stores, boil that information down, and give it to you. If that sounds good to you, then you can check out their 30 bestseller insights. Here they keep track of the absolute best-selling items and keep you informed weekly. You can also check out their 25 hits of the week list. It's a similar idea, but here they track items that are picking up steam, but haven't quite taken off yet. So it's easier to find the next craze and get in early before it blows up. If you like the sound on that, then I'll leave the links for that as well. Anyway, that's what I got for you. Stay in the know and keep on keeping on. Like, subscribe, all that jazz, and I'll catch you guys later.